Hi there, it's Brian from Whiskey Tango Farms. Today I'm going to show you how to build a inexpensive garden box. The way we're building them, they're going to cost roughly $6 to build. You can make them a little deeper and it'll cost you about $10 per box. So I'll show you already cut pieces, but what we're using is just your fence panels. We have a couple 19-inch boards. We cut the dog ear off the tops, cut 19-inch boards.
No dogs were harmed in this process.
And then what you're left with is a 52-inch long board, roughly, give or take. It's not perfect measurements, but that's what, the only perfect measurements we did here is the 19-inch board. Then out of a 2x2, we cut 4 5.5-inch boards. If you're gonna do a double high one, you just want to cut 4 11-inch pieces to go in the corners. But with that, I got everything cut already. We'll just assemble and I'll show you that.
So what are you using to attach them?
So I'm just using a brad nailer, but I'm using staples, which I need more of. Just because this is what I had. Otherwise, a regular brad nailer, or if you do some pilot holes and screws, you could do it that way too if you want. Because this is a 2x2, it's thick enough that you can just do some like 2-inch screws into through here. As long as you pilot drill this board, because this is pretty thin and you will split it. But what we're gonna do, these ones are kind of wonky and they're not perfectly square. So I've been trying to find the best square edge and use that. We're taking the shorter pieces first, the 19-inch pieces, and putting a couple staples in. Got allergies bad right now. So we can make that one. This one. Goes pretty quick once you get everything cut, which is nice.
You said these are 52?
Yeah, the lengthwise is about 52 inches.
And how did you decide on the length and width and all that?
Because the cattle panel is 50 inches tall. And then I wanted some variance on the ends.
And then basically we just took the length of what the fence panel was minus that height, and we were just left with 19, which is why this is 19, just for no waste, right?
Yeah, to have a little waste. And I think 19 inches is a good depth. It allows you to still plant flowers in front of it if you want. Because we're planning using these for small, shallow planter boxes to go in front of the cattle panels to use as trellis for growing the loofah gourds and other squash plants. So it gives us a little bit of room once we train everything to go up the trellis, that we can plant flowers in front of it and make it look pretty. Just like Kristen. But there you have it. Planter box all done. Just a matter of a couple minutes. I built 5 of them already. But I built 3 of them in the time that it took Kristen to go to the store and back, which was just down the road. It's maybe I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. So, and that was cutting and building them one by one. But there you have it. Inexpensive way to make some planter boxes. Thanks for watching. Bye.